Hello guys, welcome back. So we are going to mix. Remember in our last class we arranged our mixing window to aid us mix properly. So we are going to start mixing. So we play. So what we do, we are going to try to fix each of these channels. Now what I'm listening here, the kick. If you listen to this kick, especially the kicking, if I solo it, sorry, yeah, I solo the drum part as well. See, okay. So it's good, but there's how I need it to sound. Same to if I combine it with this one. Now this one as well has its own issue. It sounds there's so much in the mid range area. So if I start it, we could start. All right. Add plugins, far filter. All right. So let's do a low cut at 36 dB at 20 hertz. Okay. Then we cut off here as well as let's take the frequency down to, let's say, since we have the archic, so we take it to, let's say, um, 280, one something or so. Let's leave it. All right. Okay, it's more like a sub bass now. Sorry, a sub kick. All right. Now let's do that for this one as well. So again, far filter. Low cut. And this low cut will 36 dB as well. 36 dB, we will take it up to, let's see what 500 sounds like. All right. Hold on. Okay. So if we take it a bit back, or we take it down. All right. So if you combine the two. All right. So it's still sounding. There's a part, this area here. We make it change the Q. All right. For now. So first of all, what I do is I do a corrective EQ first, where I duck signals instead of boosting. I cut out frequencies. First. So that's what we have been doing. All right. Now the snare. Now if you add the snare, you can do that for the snare as well. So fat filter, the snare, our low cut. Let's keep it at 30 dB as well. We take it to like 100 or 120. All right. And then let's see, there's a frequency that is sounding. So what we do, we notch it. So if we come here and select here, you hear the frequency. All right. So let's cut this frequency here, and then let's expand the Q bit and see what happens. All right. sounds. Let's drop this a bit and see what happens. It's a hip hop, so let's keep it that way. Add the rest. Introduce our hats. Now the hats is just to cut out this frequency, sorry, a filter, just to clean it up a bit in case there is. So we do a brick wall and then take it up. Alright, we'll still drag this up a bit. Same thing with this hat as well. Alternate, drag it here, so the two of them are ready. And for the percussions, this is the same thing like this, so we drag this guy as well. Alright, for this one, okay. Compliment a bit. Okay, so I think I like that, but I can push the volume of that a bit. Alright, I like the drums, so I'm going to let it play with the rest of the mix. Alright, we can take this one down a bit. Take this one a bit up. So I could try adding something to this kick here. So we come here, come to this EQ now. Solid state SSL channel EQ. Alright, I need more presence around this 8K now. So I'm gonna push the 8K bit. And I'm gonna drop around 3K. So you drop this. Drop this. Alright. If I solo it, if we solo, that's kick. Alright, so there's something else we can do. Now, we can create another group here. New auxiliary input. We call this kick. Okay. So our two kicks will now play through it. That is input, boss, 910. And so we switch this boss output here to boss 910. Switch this to boss 910. Now the output of this now is what will now go back to go to our drum group, which was boss 12 here, boss 12 here. Okay. So we do that. So once we play, this is now our kick. All right. So with this, we can add an effect here. There's a drums. There's a drum effect I like using. So if we come effect here, CLA drums. Uh, all right. For kick. Now, if we load kick, start me up. All right. So if we place here with the rest of this thing. Let's make it mono. All right. Let's see this. We can try that with the snare and let's see how it will sound. Let's solo the snare. So we hear how the effect sounds. Effects, drums. We load a preset snare. Start me off first. Okay. Let's on a reverb hall. Okay. All right. Let's play. We bypass this. I think I don't like it that way, so I'm gonna take it off and replace it with an EQ instead. Okay. There's nothing really to be done apart from, let's say, I could push this reducer. Alright. And then add some more presence. Now to the drums group, we can do something with the drums group by adding a compressor. Sorry, an EQ first and a compressor. So if we solo the entire drums, Alright, do this. You can cut certain some of these mid frequencies. Just something like this, okay? Then we can open it a bit up here around here. No, not that. Alright, so you can open it a bit up here by so, and then we add a compressor, CLA 2A. Alright, we can do this load, do a drum group. All right. Or let's try this hard drum group. All right, so let's reduce the peak. Okay. I think there's so much loose on the kick, which is from here. I think you can drop a bit. All right. Let's save. Okay. So we are done with the drums. In our next class, we are going to try to fix the other instruments.